Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a little ACT English question. That felt weird. Can't imagine looking at it. Woohoo! This is question 23 from ACT 59F. Ooh, right there. Pause it. Pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation, see how you did, celebrate, mourn, whatever might be appropriate. All right, let's get in there. The Navajo language is complex, with a structure and sounds that makes them unintelligible to anyone without extensive exposure to it. Well, we might notice that the first word we have underlined is a verb, makes. There are two things that can be wrong about a verb on the ACT, subject-verb agreement and tense. Let's start with subject-verb agreement. So what is the thing or things that makes them unintelligible to anyone without extensive exposure to it? The Navajo language is complex, with a structure and sounds that makes them unintelligible. So it's the structure and sounds that makes them unintelligible, right? Structure and sounds, singular or plural? Plural, right? And then we have makes, singular or plural. Now a lot of people say plural because it ends in an S, but verbs are a little tricky. I usually check with pronouns. Would you say she makes or they makes? She makes, right? So makes is singular. We have a plural subject in structure and sounds and a singular verb. Makes is going to be wrong. So it's not A and it's not B. All right, sweet. The other two both say make. So now let's shift our attention over to the second word that's underlined, them. All right, so the structure and sounds make blank unintelligible to anyone without extensive exposure to it. What is the thing that is made unintelligible? Well, the beginning of the sentence said, the Navajo language is complex, with a structure and sounds. Oh, so the Navajo language is unintelligible. Navajo language, singular or plural? Well, it's just one language, right? So we want the singular it instead of the plural them, because the structure and sounds make the Navajo language unintelligible. Cool. So the answer must be C. We broke that question down into its constituent parts and answered multiple simpler questions rather than just reading through all the answer choices and picking the one that sounded the best. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. Go nuts. Anyway, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.